Good evening and welcome to BBHQ, home of Basil and the B team. And tonight on our little vlog, we have got one of the B team members with us. I don't know if you can see young Smooch bipping around behind me. He's just checking out his Unimog, just making sure that it's running okay and the lights are all okay and everything's okay. Where are you, darling? Yeah, welcome to another episode of the vlog. Tonight we're just going to, I'm just watching where he's going. He's the Phantom Whittler after all, and I don't trust him at all in the craft room. He has been known to pee up things in here too. I tell you, so today I think we're going to start the Christmas project. Oh, here he comes. He's just jumped up on the stall over there. He's just looking for a way. He's just looking for a way to get to me right now. If I just move this chair around, he'll probably bip up on the chair and on the table, and then he'll come and say hi. Here he comes. Here he comes, the little dude himself. Say hello to all your lovely readers and followers, Smooch. He says, hello everybody, my name's Smooch and I'm a little bit shy. Hey, darling? Oh, look at that little smoochy moochy face. So, Smooch is with us. If I can get his claws out of my jumper. Hey? Oh, he needs a lot of attention. I've only just got back from work. And I've had the usual welcoming committee. And the first thing I have to do when I get home from work is they all herd off to the laundry like a little migrating herd of wildebeest. And I have to feed them all. And then Dora and Smooch have to go outside for a little bit of outside time before it gets too dark. And now I've got cat fur up my nose. Yeah, we've got cat fur up my nose. If I start to sneeze, it's all your fault, isn't it? So here we are. We've got two boxes down here. I don't know if you can see them just here. We've got two boxes and we are going to start the Christmas Crafting with Cats project, which this year I did give it a little bit of thought. Normally I don't know what I'm going to make. And this year I decided that I'd give it a little bit of thought prior to the main event. And so here we are, 18th of November. And as I made the mog, which is just there down the back, for the Halloween Crafting with Cats, I thought this time it'd be really fun, and I've never made one of these before. It'd be really fun, which is a surprise. It'd be really fun to make a Christmas sled. Now, excuse me while I just pull cat fur off my lipstick. So we're going to make a Santa Paws Sled for the B team, and we're going to spray it bright red, and we're going to trim it with a bit of maybe faux fur. I don't know what I've got kicking around here in the craft room, but no doubt I'll find some supplies to make it just how I want it and put a few baubles and things on it. So let's get started. And we are about to start our Christmas Crafting with Cats post. So with the help of my little tripod dude, Smooch. So regular readers and followers of our blog at bionicbasil.com will know that we've been crafting for cats for a long time, and we love to make really fun things. And so for Christmas, obviously, I think I probably just said that we are making a Christmas sled, and I have two boxes, this one and this one. This one is the sturdier box, so I think this one will become the main sled part. And you little dude, I need the table, darling. Oh, I know it's going to be terrible. I'm going to have to move you. I don't know where. I have one large box, which I think might be big enough. So I'm just going to get my Sharpie pen, and hopefully one that works without knocking everything off. And I'm just going to kind of draw a bit of a sleigh kind of shape across the front. Now I don't know if you can. So it'll be like that. I think we'll end up putting a bit of a nose on it here, but I'm not sure yet. So now we've got that. We'll just take that across the front, and we know that's there. Let me get a pair of scissors. I know I should be a little bit more organised, but I'm actually showing you in real time, real life, how these things happen at BBHQ, and this is exactly how they happen. don't really, like I've said before, plan anything too much. I mean, the fact that I actually know I'm making a sled is a huge bonus right now, because normally I'd be staring at 2 boxes and thinking, what the fluff dudes am I going to make? But like I say, I'm already ahead of the game, because I've already chosen a item to make, and it's amazing what you can make out of cardboard. So for your cats, you can create such wonderful things. I mean, I've created little scratches, you know, the ones you buy out of the pet store or wherever you go to buy your pet supplies. There's always a little cat scratcher, cardboard cat scratcher, and they're so easy to make. I mean, there is a tutorial on the blog from a couple of years ago where I showed you exactly how to make one, and therefore you get to recycle things, and it's kinder to the planet, and it saves you money. Well, I say it saves you money, you have to buy a little bit of glue, but apart from that, it's free, and you're doing great things for the planet, which, what's not to love? So anyway, let's cut this out here. Let's take this around here, and then we'll use this side. Once I've cut this side out, we'll use this side as a template to do the other side, so it matches. It's a bit tight on the old scissors there, but I'm sure with a bit of brute force and determination, we will make it happen. In that true BBHQ spirit, never give up, never give up. As Wing Commander Basil would say, fight the good fight. Okay, so this is what you're left with from that side. So let us place it on, let's put it at the front. So let's make sure we've got it right. So if we place it on the opposite side, making sure that it's facing the right way, we will then place that there. We will get our Sharpie, which ended up on the floor because that's the way we roll here. And let's just do a quickie. No, you know that's wrong, guys. That's wrong. It's that way. Do you know, this is what happens when you head into middle age and you can't actually remember what you're doing or how you're doing things. But so it goes. That's the joys of getting older. So there we go. So on that side, we're ready to cut that out now. So let's put the pen down. Go in the front. Yes, the joys of getting older that nobody ever tells you about. And it all just ambushes you at a certain time of life, and you think, how the heck did I get here? But it's okay. It's okay. We fight the good fight. And we are fighting with the scissors right now. So I think we have to go in this side. And if you're asking me why I'm not using a craft knife, that's because I find craft knives in this situation can be a little haphazard, and you can end up causing yourself a bit of a mischief. And given my track record for accidents within the home and absolutely ridiculous scenarios, this is by the safest option for me. But I mean, if you're going to make this, feel free to use a craft knife. You know, it's everybody's personal preference. Like I say, for me, it's not always a good idea. There we go. No, it's like trying to chew something off with your teeth. I think I'll just cut that there. But this is how it goes. This is how it goes, and this is what I want you to see. I want you to see me making this exactly in its entirety, and all the pitfalls that could possibly happen along the way. Because, you know, I just present you these photos online, you know, on the blog, of these lovely little step-by-step tutorials, and you guys have no idea what happens. So here we go. That's your bit of your sled. So that kind of looks okay. I don't know whether it's big enough for all the cats though. I don't really. What do you say, Smooch? Do you want to try? It might just be big enough for one. Let's put you in, dude. What do you think? What do you think? Maybe if we bend this down here. And then that can be the front. Is that big enough? Can you get Fudge in there with you and Marvin? Or knowing you probably wouldn't want to share, would you? No. So this is where we're at. I think we'll make some runners for it next. So just bear with me while I get some more cardboard and we decide exactly how we're going to do it.